As you can see here in our booklet, we have the quantifiers that we want. They are food quantifiers. To begin, food quantifiers are what? They are words added to the uncountable, before the uncountable, to make them countable. Like what? Like here, if we have the water, it could be a glass, it could be a jug, it could be a bottle of water, it could be a cup of water. If you want to buy milk from the supermarket, you're going to buy a bottle of milk or a carton of milk. You can find milk in cartons like this one or in bottles like this one. What else? If you want to buy some tea, it could be a cup of tea if you want to drink it, but if you want to buy it from a supermarket, it's called a packet of tea. If you want to buy honey, you will find honey in jars like this one. That's why I say a jar of honey. Now, honey itself, I cannot count it. But if I put it in jars, I can count the amount of jars that I want to take or buy or whatever. I can count the jars. Now, for the bread itself, I cannot count it. But I can count a loaf of bread if it's the whole like this one. If it's part of it, it's a slice of bread. The same for the Coke. It could be in cans or it could be bottle. I'm going to add a can of Coke and a bottle of Coke. I'm going to put it before the uncountable. The quantifier, I'm going to put it before the uncountable. Now, here, sugar, I'm going to use a bowl of sugar. Now, to buy meat, you buy it in kilos. And soap, it could be bars. There is the liquid soap, but it's something else here. I'm going to use the bar of soap. The same, it's bar of chocolate. Chocolate, you buy it in bars. If you are sharing something, it's a piece of chocolate. Like a piece of furniture. Furniture, I cannot count furniture because it includes many things like beds, tables, chairs, everything. A bed, it's a piece of furniture if it's one piece. Okay? Like cheese, it's a piece of cheese. Now here we have a bottle of ketchup, because ketchup you can find it in bottles. The mayonnaise you find it in jars, so it's a jar of mayonnaise. Tuna you find it in cans. Now I am going to add the cake. The cake is uncountable. I am going to put before it a piece of cake. I can count a piece of cake. If you want to eat cake, you are not going to say, I want cake. I want a piece of cake. The same goes with pizza. If you are going to take, you're going to take a slice of pizza. You're not going to eat the whole pizza by yourself. You're going to take a slice or a piece of cake.